How to access the Mawaheb Platform.
Click on the platform link or scan the code.
Click on Get Started.
Log in to your account.
Then, enter your username and password.
You will receive an email to confirm your account.
Enter the verification code.
Click on My Dashboard.
Click on Programs.
Select the training program and click on Training Details.
Complete the pre-test.
Then, watch the training program recordings.